So I'm Stefan Corlosquet. I'm French originally. I'm living in Ireland. I'm working at the DERI Institute in Galway. It's the leading semantic web research institute. And I'm also involved in the Drupal community. Particular interest is the semantic web, introducing semantic web in Drupal. So tonight I've just presented RDF, CCK, and Evoke module, which allow together to map your data content to RDF classes and RDF properties. And that way you get a very easy RDF export of your data. And the current plans are to port this to Drupal core for the next Drupal 7 version. And so next week we'll be going to the DrupalCon, and hopefully we can get more things done there. And yeah, I think that's perfect.
What I liked in the presentation that you showed us was how much effort you and everybody else had been putting into making it easier to use semantic web data. That you had completions, you had the little blobs there to make it more accessible for people who have to produce the content.
Exactly, that's the main goal, to make semantic web easier for lay people to adopt it, so that RDF data becomes available very quickly on your site without having to know RDF. That's already possible today in a matter of minutes.
So the semantic web modules are not in core, of course, but how difficult do you estimate it would be for a site creator to add semantic web capabilities, as you've shown us today, into an existing site?
Into an existing site, it's actually very easy to do that. If you have an existing site and you're using CCK, you can simply install RDF CCK and import the vocabularies that you want to use, and assign the mappings to every piece of data, and the module will export that in RDF. So that's as simple as that.
Excellent. Yeah. So, do you have any closing remarks? Any personal closing remarks or general closing remarks?
Yeah. Well, it's exciting for me to be here in the US, presenting my work and seeing all these people excited about it. And so. Also in the Drupal community, there is a growing interest in having semantic web built in the core, and so we'll have RDFA export in Drupal 7, and other modules will be able also to take advantage of these semantics to do even more cool things.
Okay. Thank you very much for talking to us today here at the New York City Semantic Web Meetup. It was great to have you here.